Hey y'all, it's me Deja B and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I am going to be attempting a sleek braid ponytail. Yes, my hair looks a mess, but this is like a more than a week old wash and go, and I just slept on the hair because I knew I was going to do something to it differently. So these are the products that I'm going to be using today. Alright, so let's get into this. Of course, I'm going to saturate my hair with, well, I was thinking that I was putting enough water on my hair, but in reality, I did not. I'm going to keep it real with you. So I sprayed my hair with water, which I thought was enough. I parted my hair off camera because parting takes too freaking long, and my arm's hurting already, as you can see. So I'm sectioning off the back of the hair so that I can start applying the product. I'm going to be layering it section by section, going up slowly. Okay, so I have applied the main Trust Tropical Moringa Restorative Spray, and I am just working that into my hair. Really well, just to make sure I get that moisture in there before I apply the pomade. Now I'm going in with about this much of the Edge Booster pomade, and I'm going to rub it on that back section. And then after I apply the pomade, I am going to brush the hair down with a hard bristle brush. And then I'm going to repeat that same process as I go up layer by layer. So I'm going to critique myself a little bit here because as I got toward the top, well, on this side, I think I did apply a good amount of the pomade, but I would highly recommend lathering that on if you're not going to use like got to be glue, like a spray wax or something like that. You should definitely lather the product on all the way down the hair shaft, which I did not do all the way. If you want it to be a little bit more neat, then you should definitely lather that product on all the way down the hair shaft, especially once you get to the front sections of your hair, because of course that hair is going to be showing through all the way to back to the ponytail, and you want to make sure that it looks as neat as possible. So I recommend adding more pomade, especially on your heavy side. And I did not do well on the heavy side with lathering that product on. And as you'll see, the slick back braid, it turned out okay, but it could have been a lot better if I added more product, pomade specifically, and even more water, honestly. More water would get you further than you think. And yeah, see, it looked decent when I was holding it like this, but once I finally put it into the actual ponytail and it dried and sat overnight, it ended up looking a little bit different, especially when I tried to do my edges, y'all. Y'all gonna see. So now I'm just trying to get the ponytail together. I'm putting that rubber band on my ponytail, which I highly do not recommend because it's a rubber band. I ended up replacing it with something else and just cutting the rubber band off instead of taking it off. And now I'm just braiding that ponytail so that I can stretch the hair for when I add the braiding hair to it. And I'm going to let that set overnight. Now it's the next day and I'm going to be taking out that braid so that I can add the braiding hair and make it a long braid ponytail. A long braid ponytail. This is pre-used braiding hair. Like I told y'all before, I'm going to get every use out of it I can. And this is just me attempting to do the braid. I've done a braid before, like a higher braid ponytail, and it was on stretched hair, so I knew I could do it, but I low-key was struggling because the hair was not stretched. So yeah, I ended up having to do this multiple times. So I finally got the braid semi how I wanted it to be. Tied it off right here, and then I'm gonna just snip snip right there. Now I'm about to do my edges. Oh wow. I don't know what happened here, but look at this. Oh my gosh, it must have got, something must have got in there and mixed with it, because my other one don't look like this. Yeah, so I really do be trying to get my hair close to perfect, but I need to stop doing that because if it's my first time trying something, it's not gonna be perfect, and I just need to accept that. Yeah, so I redid this braid like 4 or 5 times. I ain't even gonna hold you. Okay, so I'm really about to attempt some edges, y'all, which I really am not good at. This is what it's supposed to look like on the inside. I don't know what was going on with the other one, but it's in the trash now. I got no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so basically I'm gonna leave this side like how it is because this is mostly my baby hairs are mostly covered, so I ain't trying to mess nothing up like I already kind of am. I look so weird. I probably won't be doing this again unless I do one on the top, because look, I look weird. Or I'll do it on more straight hair if I'm gonna do a braid, because child, this was not easy. You think it would come easy, but it didn't. It did not. The braid came out fine though. The hair is alright. It's alright. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. This was really my first time doing a sleek bun like this anyway, so I'm not 100% mad about it. You know, it's alright. It's alright for someone who don't really, you know, do this. I'm not true to this. I'm new to this. You feel me? Alright, y'all, so that's it for now. I'm gonna just go, like, you know, tie my hair down and then bada bing bada boom. That's alright. It's cute, I guess, you know, my big head. All right, see ya.